Are you thinking about moving to Morgan Hill? Here are 5 reasons my clients love living here. Let's see if your lifestyle fits. Hi, my name is Caroline Hobbs with Rise Real Estate. I help families make smart moves in South County. If you like honest local guides, hit me up. Hit subscribe and the bell so you don't miss a video. Today, we're gonna cover 5 pros fast. You're gonna get the real feel in just a few moments. Are you ready? Let's go. Pro number 1. This is a small town with big community vibes. Downtown is designed for people, not just cars, with restaurants, coffee shops, and a central plaza that actually gets used. Summer Friday Night Music Series brings everyone out. Freedom Fest on 4th of July is a huge local celebration, and wine strolls and street festivals keep the calendar full. If you want a family-friendly neighborhood with a lived-in downtown that actually gets used, Morgan Hill might be the spot for you. Pro number 2, wineries and outdoor access. Morgan Hill sits in a live working wine region. Tasting rooms are casual, beautiful, and close. 10 minutes later, you're at a trailhead. Coyote Valley open space for quick hikes and views, Henry Coe State Park for big adventure days, hike in the morning, wine taste in the afternoon, and dinner downtown, all within minutes. Pro number 3, more space and more options. Compared to many Silicon Valley cities, you get room to breathe. There are walkable townhomes near downtown, quiet cul-de-sacs in established neighborhoods, and semi-rural properties with room for projects. Thinking long-term? Ask about ADU potential on the right lots. That flexibility can grow with your family. Pro number 4. This is a family-oriented lifestyle with great school options, parks, youth sports, and community programs. They're a big deal here. You'll find multiple public schools and nearby charters. Every family is different, so always verify the fit for your child. Tour the campuses, meet the staff, and decide what works for you. Pro number 5. Morgan Hill is generally a safe and welcoming atmosphere. Neighbors know each other. City events keep people connected. It feels calm and friendly without feeling sleepy. Here's a quick recap. Community, wineries, trails, more space, family-friendly, and a safe, welcoming vibe. That's Morgan Hill lifestyle in a nutshell. If this sounds like home, let's make a plan. Text or call me, or use the link below in the description for a quick consult. I'll build you a custom home list, a commute game plan, and an ownership budget that fits your life. Thanks for watching. My name is Caroline Hobbs with Rise Real Estate Group. Hit subscribe and the bell for weekly South County guides. See you around Morgan Hill.